The perfect drill for tight spaces and tough jobs has arrived. Introducing the D8x12 Navigator horizontal directional drill from Vermeer. The D8x12 offers innovations and brawn of a large drill with a compact body, simplified controls, and quiet, versatile, and powerful performance of a small drill with 1,000 foot-pound of spindle torque and 7,850 pounds of thrust pullback. If you're ready to get to work and install service utilities at a cost-effective price, the D8x12 is the right choice for you. Call your local Vermeer dealer or visit Vermeer.com today to learn more.